I've always loved nature. There's something so peaceful about being surrounded by the sounds of birds and the rustle of the forest. One of my favorite places to visit is the Chickadee Trail at Lynde Shores Conservatory, Whitby, Ontario. Here, you can actually feed wild birds right from your hand. The chickadees are so friendly. They flutter right up to you, curious and fearless. I could stand here for hours just watching them. But today I got a little surprise. A woodpecker joined in. I didn't expect that at all, but it was amazing to see one so close. Moments like these remind me why I love nature so much. Every time I come out here, I learn something new, and it makes me appreciate how special these little creatures really are.